English with Language Hub.
The International Phonetic Alphabet, the IPA, is a standardized system of phonetic notation used to represent the sounds of spoken languages in written form. It was developed in the late 19th century by the International Phonetic Association to provide a unique symbol for each distinctive sound in a language, thereby facilitating accurate and consistent transcription of spoken language. When writing in English, we use the ABC, 5 vowel and 21 consonant letters. When speaking English, we typically use the IPA, 20 different vowel sounds, including 8 diphthongs, and 24 consonant sounds. The IPA is a system of sound symbols. If you write a word in sound symbols, you write what you hear. Phonemic transcription, the IPA, gives a way of accurately recording the pronunciation of words and utterances. Dictionaries may vary in the conventions they use. The following example is used to show certain conventions used in most dictionaries and reference books. Words and utterances are enclosed within slant lines, sometimes square brackets. This mark shows primary stress on the next syllable. This mark shows secondary stress on the next syllable. Absence of a mark shows an unstressed following syllable. This mark shows the end of a syllable. Sound symbols written in round brackets mean that the sound can be either pronounced or not. In some words, the number of letters is the same as the number of sounds. But sometimes the number of sounds is different from the number of letters. In some words there are silent letters, letters with no sound. In some words, one letter is 2 sounds. We sometimes write the same sound differently in different words. Sometimes 2 words have the same pronunciation but different spellings. These words are called homophones.
No. No.
And sometimes 2 words have the same spelling but different pronunciation. These words are called homographs.
Lead. Lead.
Because there are more sounds than letters and there are different ways of reading the English letters, we use symbols, the IPA, for pronunciation. Name the alphabet that the highlighted word is written to.
Read.
The IPA.
Listen.
The ABC.
Alphabet.
The ABC.
Explain.
The IPA.
Please.
The IPA.
Repeat.
The ABC. Try to define the Russian equivalent of the given English word. Then check your guess and remember the word.
Argentina. A country in South America. Argentina. Australia. A large island country and continent in the southwest Pacific Ocean. Australia. Brazil. A country in South America, comprising about half the area and half the population of South America. Brazil. Britain. The island containing England, Scotland and Wales, an informal, unofficial name for Great Britain, United Kingdom. Britain. Canada. A large country in the northern half of North America, the second largest country in the world. Canada. Egypt. A country in North Africa, on the Mediterranean and Red Sea. Egypt. Italy. A country in southern Europe, occupying a peninsula in the Mediterranean between the Tyrrhenian and the Adriatic Seas, with the islands of Sardinia and Sicily to the west. Italy. Mexico. A country in southern North America, on the Gulf of Mexico and the Pacific. Mexico. Morocco. A country in North Africa, on the Mediterranean and the Atlantic. Morocco. Spain. A country in southwestern Europe, occupying the Iberian Peninsula between the Mediterranean and the Atlantic. Spain.
Which picture matches the word?
Read. Read. Open. Open. Right. Right. Listen. Listen. Close. Close. Work. Work. Explain. Explain.
Write the numbers out in words.
One, 9, 3. 6. 2. 10. 8. 4. 7. 5.
Write the correct pronoun, he, she, or it. Some items have two answers. She. He. He. It. He. She. 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 He. It. He. She. This is used to point at what is nearer in time or space. That points at what is farther away in time or space. This and that have two numbers. This is used in singular and these is used in plural. That is used in singular and those is used in plural. This, or these, and that, or those, may be applied both to persons and things. Complete the phrases with this, these, that, or those. This robe. That mug. These drinks. Those pills. These sweets. That plum. Those children. This man. This egg. That tablet. These actors. Those lambs.